Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today we're comparing two popular options, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and prices to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. If you need to wash larger items, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice, but for portability and smaller loads, the Nixod excels. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a range of features, including 6 wash cycles, temperature settings, and a durable stainless steel tub. It also includes helpful features like a delay start and child lock. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is more basic, with just 3 timed cycles and a spin basket, making it less versatile but easier to use for simple tasks. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two machines. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $78, making it an attractive option for those on a budget or with limited space. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger capacity and more features, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable option for smaller loads, the portable washing machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.